This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: APK installed, permissions granted, and the ROM or patch file placed where auto-execute Delta expects it. Once done, open the app and run the built-in checker to validate file integrity and version compatibility. Make sure to enable accessibility service for automation. This lets the app simulate taps. Also allow background execution and battery exemption so long tasks won't be killed. From here, choose the profile that matches your device architecture and Android version to avoid. Next, configure the execution parameters. Pick the correct CPU profile, set realistic timing delays, and set retry counts for flaky steps. Once configured, point the app to your input file and review the step list it will execute. You should run a dry run or test on a backup image so you can watch behavior without risking your main system. While testing, watch logs for permission denials and adjust delays. Automation often needs small pauses to accommodate UI lag or slow I/O. To finish, launch the full execution and monitor live logs. Keep the device on charger and do not interrupt the process. When it completes, verify the output checksum and reboot into the new image to confirm success. If anything fails, reverse to your backup immediately. A key troubleshooting tip: if steps hang or UI actions miss, enable verbose logging and increase delays between actions, because timing issues are the most common cause of automation failures. Rerun after adjustments to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.